Good morning, my dear students. Now, in class 6 Introduction to HTML, in this lesson I am going to proceed few more topics. Now, today we will discuss what is element. HTML element consists of an on tag and content and on off tag, container element and empty element. So, if the element is having on tag and off tag both, it is called container element, and if the element is not having closing tag, it is called empty element. Now let's see first container element. The element that includes both on and off tags are called container element. For example, B, this makes the text bold. So in this opening and closing, both the tags are present. So this is called container element. Next is empty element. There are many different tags are present, and we must learn the tags to design a good web page. Element Empty element contain only on tags. They do not have off tag. These elements do not enclose any data. Instead, they do some functions on their own. For example, BR, it breaks the line and displays the text from the next line. So in this tag, there are some other tags also. BR is break line, and it is used to break the line. It is not having any closing tag. It will work itself. Wherever you will write, it will change the line, and the content will go to the next line. Attribute. An attribute is the property that provides additional information about an HTML element. So attribute, one thing I would like to inform you regarding this attribute, it will not work alone. Every attribute must have a tag, and it is fixed that in which tag the particular attribute will work. If we are writing attribute only and we are not writing the tag, then definitely it will not work. Once again, an attribute is the property that provides additional information. Means if body tag is written and if we want to change many things in body, color, background, anything we want to change, then definitely we have to use some attributes. It enhances the functionality of a tag. An attribute is always specified inside the opening tag. It is the fixed position for the attribute where you have to write. So you will write always inside the opening tag of the particular tag. An attribute consists of two parts, a name and a value. The name is the property that you want to set, and the value is what you want for the prospective property. Attribute value is always enclosed within quotes. You have to give the attribute name and its value, and the values must be enclosed inside the double quotes. For example, the width attribute for the HR tag specifies the width of the horizontal line. In this HR tag is not having closing tag. It will specify the width of the horizontal line in the pixel or percentage. If you are giving pixels, then it will count the number of pixels according to the resolution of your computer. Means if your resolution of the monitor is high, then the line will be small. If your resolution of computer is low, then the line will be slight big. When you will write it in the percentage form, then it will find the percentage of your resolution, and it will be almost equal in all the monitors. By default, the width of the horizontal rule is 100%. So if we write HR with 50%, the horizontal line will cover only 50% of the page. We can use more than one attribute inside a tag also. Means 100% means full length of the screen, but if we are writing 50%, so it will cover only half of the screen. And in one tag, not only fixed for one attribute, we can use more than one attribute also in one tag. Rules for writing the HTML code. There are certain rules. We must know that rule. If we will write here and there, definitely nothing will be nothing will go. They are not case sensitive. In small or capital you can write, but it is suggested to write it in a small letters. Container tag should always be closed. Sometimes if you are not closing the container tag, this is the means browsers support that it will understand and your output will be shown to you, but it is suggested always to close the container tag. Value given should be enclosed in the quotes. You should use double quotes, not single quotes, or you should not use single quotes two times. You should use the shift button while pressing the quotes button. Attribute value can be case sensitive. In some cases, attribute value may be case sensitive, so you must learn the word which is case sensitive. In the case of nesting, inner tag must be closed first and the outer tag must be closed as the last one. For example, if B is here, B is closed first. If P is here, P is closed here. So now by this way we can see, if we have started inside, we have closed inside. If we have started outside, we have closed outside. So this rule we have to follow and we have to take care about this. HTML document structure. Head section. The head section provides general information about the document. For example, the title defines the title for the page on the browser's title. Title is not mandatory, but if we are writing title, our page seems to be a good page, and we will get some basic information that what is the basic content inside it. Second thing, if we are not writing title, it will show certain default value, the basically the location of the page. Title must be written inside the head element, not anywhere else. It will work only in the head element. As it is shown in this example, head, title is open, title is closed, and then head is closed. So title is the function which we will write inside the head element. Like the same, body section. Body section contains the text which gets displayed on the web page along with other tag and attributes. It includes text, graphics, and other HTML elements that provide control and formatting to a page like fonts, paragraph, list, and other elements. So we can write the formatting controls according to our need inside the body tag. HTML program starts with HTML tag and body tag starts with body tag. Title tag is present in the head element. It should be small and must be less than 64 characters. These are certain basic points that we should follow. If in title section we will write long sentences, definitely it will not be shown to us. Now there are two basic categories of HTML element used in the body tag. Block level elements. Block level elements means it will work for more than 2-3 lines. A block level element takes up the full width available and by default begins on the new line. For example, paragraph, heading, horizontal rule, and centering means you can use these tags as a block level elements. Text level elements. Text level elements are used to mark up bits of text. It does not start on a new line and only takes up as much width as necessary. For example, bold, italics, and line break. These are text level, means it will work on the text directly. So this is for theory part. You must know this while using. Now thank you students for today. Read the lesson till this page, and in the next topic we will discuss the next topic. Thank you.